More than $3 billion in unclaimed money gets returned to its rightful owners every year, according to the National Association of Unclaimed Property Administrators. For 1 in 10 people, there's money just sitting out there waiting to be claimed. So let's take a look at several popular ways that you can find missing money in your name, all for free. But first, remember to subscribe to the Clark Howard YouTube channel so you can save more and spend less. When money goes unclaimed, the funds get held by the state until someone comes looking for them. But states will sometimes invest the money for the state's benefit, not yours. Don't let this happen to you. There are 6 areas our team encourages you to consider when looking for missing money in your name: general unclaimed funds search, former pension plans, old 401ks, old bank accounts, the Internal Revenue Service, and lost savings bonds. There's a variety of ways you can find these old accounts for free. To start, we're going to look broadly for any unclaimed funds in your name. We recommend you visit these websites. Missingmoney.com allows you to just punch in your name for a quick database search for unclaimed funds across multiple states. It's particularly easy if you have a unique last name. However, not every state participates in missing money. If you live or have lived in a state that does not participate, your next stop should be unclaimed.org. This website is a clearinghouse for the NAUPA. You can also check findmyfunds.com. It links to the official websites of more than 25 states, including some not covered by missing money. Also, if you ever had a Federal Housing Administration home loan, or FHA home loan, you may be sitting on refund money. Visit the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development's website at hud.gov and see if you're in their refund database. Finally, if you have a Credit Karma account, they offer a tool to help connect you at no charge with missing money in your name. Now, let's switch gears to a more focused area where millions of dollars are often left unclaimed. Oftentimes, after companies go out of business or close their plans, significant amounts of money in pension benefits are left unclaimed. If the company can't find you when closing their plan, your pension money goes to the Pension Benefit Guaranty Corporation, or PBGC, a government agency that protects retirement income. You can check the PBGC's Unclaimed Pensions database if you think you may be due money. On there, you can see if you're on the list of people owed benefits and find out what to do next. For many years, the PBGC only concerned itself with picking up the pieces and paying out obligations for terminated private pension plans. But a change in 2017 has expanded the PBGC's scope to now include closed 401k plans. Now the PBGC will step in to pay out benefits from terminated 401k plans with interest when it finds an employee. To learn additional ways you can search for missing retirement accounts, visit clark.com and search Lost Retirement Accounts. Now, if you just left money in an old account at a bank or other financial institution that closed, you may be able to get your money back. The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, or FDIC, has a list of unclaimed insured deposits at firms that closed down. You can also use their Bank Find tool to figure out what happened to your old bank, or to see if there's a new financial institution you can contact about the money. Another area where people are more likely to find unclaimed money is actually from the IRS. Many people are due tax refunds from prior years, but they never file for one reason or another. If that sounds like you, the IRS gives you a 3-year grace period to file and claim any money you overpaid in taxes. In 2022, the IRS reported that it held $1.5 billion in unclaimed refunds from people who had not filed 2018 returns. The average unclaimed check was $879. You can find current and prior year tax forms on the IRS website if you didn't file for a year in which you're owed a refund. There are no penalties for filing late if the government owes you. One last area to consider looking for money that you may have left unclaimed is bonds. Billions of dollars in matured savings bonds have never been cashed in. In fact, a lot of people don't even know they have them. Maybe you had a relative give you a savings bond as a child for your birthday or special occasion. If that happened and you forgot, you could be able to claim a happy surprise. If you have reason to believe you're entitled to money from a lost savings bond, fill out Fiscal Service Form 1048. Claim for lost, stolen, or destroyed United States savings bonds. Wealth builds over a lifetime, and sometimes we can misplace some of it. Take a look between the couch cushions and in the 6 areas we just covered to make sure you're not missing a significant chunk. After all, it's your money. Go claim it. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to keep growing your wealth of knowledge.